Fortnite redeem, how to use Fortnite gift card. So if you have a Fortnite gift card and then you want to redeem and use it, there are a couple of things you have to understand. First, it is important to understand which device you play Fortnite on. And what you have to do is simply open your browser and just go to fortnite.com/redeem, which is their official website, by the way. So go to fortnite.com/redeem, and once you're there, you should be able to see this type of interface. Now, if you are not already logged into your Fortnite or your Epic Games account, just click on the sign in button and make sure that you log into your Epic Games account. After that, it says to redeem your reward or access code. So if it is a reward code, you enter this code here and click the redeem button. But it is a gift card, and most gift card are usually on Fortnite a V-Bucks card. So instead, if you have a V-Bucks card, which is normally written on the card, so you can check there to confirm it. After that, just click on the go here to redeem button. For a V-Bucks card, it says redeem your V-Bucks card. So again, click on the get started button. Here you simply have to enter the code of your gift card there, and once you've done that, just click the next option. And after that is the you have to choose the device you play Fortnite on, because after you click on next, it will ask you on which device that you play Fortnite. So you have to select your device carefully, and once done, the V-Bucks card will be successfully redeemed. And this way you should be able to redeem and use a V-Bucks card or the gift card on Fortnite. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.